Welcome to Progressay's step-by-step guide. Today I'll be showing you how to use some of the basic features on the platform, starting with how to add a class. You can add a class by pressing the plus buttons on the dashboard. By pressing this plus button, you can create a new class from the drop-down. Add your class name, your class level, and your class subject. Press create and you've created your class. How to add students and teachers. To add them to your class, press the class you would like. Then press the middle button, People. Press the three dots on the right and add your teacher. If your teacher isn't already on the platform, Progressay will send them an email inviting them to join. Once you have your teacher or teachers, scroll down to add your students. On the three dots on the right, you can add a singular student, download sample CSV, upload multiple students, or export students. You can add your student here, put their name, their last name, their email, and their password. Now you have your students and your teachers. How to create assignments. Press the assignment button. Press the plus on the right. Now you can choose the name of your assignment, the topic, the module, and the due date. Once you have created your assignment, click into it. Assignments can be submitted by both the student or the teacher. How to add a rubric. To add a rubric, press the rubric button on the left side. Here you will see there are two options, template rubrics and my rubrics. In template rubrics, there is currently one AI rubric. I will show you how to use that on another day. To create your own rubric, start by writing the name. Once you have added your name, add the total marks. Add your levels and add level boundaries. The level boundaries are automated in terms of the minimum marks. You can only change the maximum mark of the next level. Add your criteria. These are also called assessment objectives. In Assessment Objective 1, you can add your criteria type. There are 4 ways of marking using indicative content, keywords, manual, and technical accuracy. Today I will be showing you how to use the manual and the keywords. Add the total marks you would like to mark with in the manual section. By adding a group, you can section the assessment objective into smaller marking chunks. For example, sentence structure. You can add a mini criteria. In this section, we are allowing to mark for a wide range of sentences used. You can choose how many marks you would like to mark for in this section. We are adding another section. All sentence types are used accurately and giving 3 marks for this mini criteria. Once you add that component, you can add the description of the first level. You can now add the description of the second level. Adding another criteria. This time we will show you how to use keywords. Assigning 5 marks for these keywords. Selecting criteria type, keywords. For this keyword section, we would like 5 marks. The name of the keywords is inference verbs. To use keywords, you type your keyword in and then press enter. Each keyword that is used in the essay will be highlighted when the essay is marked. Here we are putting a range of keywords. 5 marks. Once we have put in the keywords, we will put in the description for the first level. You can then add rules. Adding rules allows our system to automatically assign levels based on the boundaries within the rules. For example, these rules are between 3 and 6. If the student gets between 3 and 6 in the assignment, in terms of keywords, they will get a level 2. Now press save and use. Once you've saved the rubric, you can reuse the rubric as many times as you like. Press all students on the left side and now you can submit your assignment. How to submit an assignment. Press submit assignment. You can upload files or you can, by pressing add text, type your essay straight into the platform or paste it. Today we are pasting it. Submit your assignment and you will see that the status is changed to marking started. Now press view. Here you will see the essay results page. You can see the status of the marking. The marking has begun. Other ways you can mark is by highlighting. By highlighting the text in different colours, you can show your student what went well and where they can improve. You can also leave comments once you have highlighted. The student can respond to the comment on their own account. We have refreshed the page to see the results. We can see Assessment Objective 1, where we can now mark manually. If we scroll down, we can now see how many keywords were used in the essay. Unfortunately, in this essay, there were no inference verbs used. By pressing the little I, it shows you how many and which of the inference verbs were used. It also shows you the levels and the grade boundaries. We can also edit this manually if preferred. The little I next to the I button shows the highlights of the keywords in the assignment. But because there are no keywords in this assignment, we will just go ahead and press Submit. Once you submit, the status changes to marking complete. The student can now see this on their side. If we press the Data button, you can see graphs of the keywords used in the essay and the assessment objective. We haven't used any technical accuracy, so that graph is currently empty, but the keywords used in the essay are shown in this bubble chart. As you can see, there weren't any keywords used. And that is all for the basic features of the platform. Thank you for watching our step-by-step guide video.